How to create a PDF file on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Go to the top right corner and tap on Select. You can now choose more than one photo or video from here. Select the photos that you want. Then, go to the bottom left corner and tap on the Share icon. Here, you can view all the sharing options available. Scroll down and tap on Save to Files. Choose the folder you want to save them to and then tap on Save. Now, go back and open up the Files app. Go to My iPhone and open the folder where you just saved the photos to. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner and tap on Select. Then, select the photos from here. After that, tap on the three dots at the bottom and select Create PDF. As you can see, the new PDF file you just created will also be saved to this folder. Open the file to view it. Following these steps, you can easily create a PDF file on iPhone.